What's up, legends? So we are working on this SS this morning. We've got to do the rear guards, and then he's got a squeak which he thought was from his suspension, which is actually his front left bumper clip. So yeah, we're going to tidy that up. And then we've got I think an S14 coming in for some guard rolling. Then we've got an EB Falcon coming in for some guard rolling. So yeah, big day of guard rolling. I'm just going to put this all into one video for you guys, and this will be released tomorrow night, which will be Sunday. And yeah, anyway, let's get on.
I'll react if I had to, put some things in the past too, and don't let them distract you, but react if you have to. I'll react if I had to, put some things in the past too, and don't let them distract you, but react if you have to, React if you have to, Don't know the time, just know that I'm, one of a kind, What's on your mind, Well, hard to find, Beautiful mind, still in my prime, Just know that I'm here. Too many nights, not feeling right, Too many nights, not feeling right, I can't be still inside, still inside, still inside. I can't be still inside, still inside, still inside. Too many nights, not feeling right, Too many nights, not feeling right, I can't be still inside, still inside, still inside. I can't be still inside.
Yeah, so I just noticed a imperfection in the paint here on this VE. It's like there's a crack in the paint and then it's been painted over. It's quite weird. I thought it was strange. Anyway, so I just rang him and had a chat with him, and apparently someone actually drove into the quarter panel here and it got repaired about a year ago. So what's probably happened is, although the damage wasn't here, it's pushed that hard in there that it's pulled this quarter panel and split the paint. And then when they've repaired it, they've not noticed it, because it's like at height, when you've not got it on a hoist, you wouldn't even see it because you're looking down. But now I've got it up here, you can see it, and like the chances of this cracking are like 95%. So I did so well. Left side went so well, went awesome. It was a good job, and I thought, all right, quick, we'll smash out the right side, then we'll get onto the front left, and then we'll be all good. And then I jumped on this side, seen that, and went, out. But anyway, look at the next car that I'm working on. Oh, look at that bad boy. But anyway, let's get this car done so we can get into the next one, because that thing is cool. All right, let's get it. Alright, good news. So rolled it, all went well. You can see the split right along the edge there, but it all went well. And rolled around good. I just took my time, as you do, and I went around. They've definitely blown the paint in there though. So shit, but it didn't come off, so that's awesome. Yeah, it's unfortunate they missed it, but it didn't seem to cause a problem. So yeah, then I'll be happy, which is good. And his guard's rolled, so he's got to stop cutting into his tyre now. Alright, so got this car on the hoist. Yeah, ready to roll the guards. The rears have been done, and they've done quite a good job by the look of it. So it's interesting that they didn't roll the fronts. But maybe it's had... No, because I'm pretty sure they're the factory guards. And so maybe it had some guards, different guards on it. Or it could have had different guards on it, maybe. I don't really know. I love Jap cars, but I don't know a lot about Jap cars. But maybe it had like flared out guards on the front. And he had, because he said I'm pretty sure the customer said the guards were off when he bought it. Had to put the guards back on. So that would kind of make sense to me. And it makes sense why they haven't rolled the fronts. Anyway, yeah. Let's get into it. So I'm nearly finished up the guards on this car. I just noticed there's a bit of rust here in the quarter panel, so I'm going to grind it back for him and then rust convert it and put some body deadener on there so that it stops it from rusting. I'll put some primer on it, then I'll put some body deadener on it. Yeah, I noticed the other side's not as bad, but it's starting to happen as well. They mustn't have sealed them very well, factory there. Don't really know. Again, I don't know a lot about Jap cars as much as I do love them. But yeah, you can see like between the seal, it's just yeah, rusting a bit there. So we better get that fixed up before it gets any worse. Anyway, back into it.
me, but it's all the same. They talk about me, it don't change a thing. Riding through the Ville and I'm switching lanes. They tryna play me, but I know the game. They tryna play me, but I know the game. They tryna play me, but I know the game. Riding through the Ville and I'm switching lanes. They tryna play me, but I know the game. They talk about me, but it's unoriginal. Worldwide, higher than the pinnacle. 5 stars, I'm the one your lady want. Cashville got the whole city bumpin'. Riding around town, fly higher than a dove. If a hater try to talk, we gon' send them up above. Putting in work, I don't need no gloves. MC Hammer, but you know you can't touch. Haters gon' talk, but they all say the same thing. Win everywhere that I go.
Well, anyway, today got away from me. I had a good amount of work booked in. It wasn't a big day or nothing, but just I had so many people come in for quotes, which was awesome. But yeah, so every time I was texting and then emailing, and then they come in and I'd do it, and then I'd get the quote together and I'd send it off, and yeah, it was just a busy day, which is good. There's a lot of work coming up, which is awesome. Word's getting out there. Strangely, I'm not sure how, but doing these giveaways, and nearly everyone that comes in to get stuff done, I tell them about it. They're like, oh, I didn't know you were doing that. So anyway, I'm still going to do them. Blah, 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 blah. Yes, it's midnight, or a little after midnight. I've just finished editing the video, and I realised I didn't do an outro when everyone left, because everyone come to pick up their cars at once, and then I just forgot. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a like, share, comment, all the things. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.